Today we are going to see what we can do in order to get the ZkSync Airdrop. Hello, this is George from Crypto Elite, and let's get started. First, you will visit this page. I will leave the link below. This is a port from Uniswap v2. So first step you need to do, okay, we will do all of them actually, so let's get started. We click here, get tokens. After tweeting it, you go to OK and you switch some DAI. Of course, I have done this already. Some DAI to whatever I want. For example, some DAI to some link. And the cool thing about this is this, that the fees are not get drained or used from ETH. They are taken from whatever token you are using for the exchange. So no more headaches like we used to have with the ETH wallet, that you were needed to send some tokens elsewhere and you had to have some tokens in ETH. So this problem is not here, thankfully. So you click exchange, excuse me for the language here, swap, you will see the swap in here, swap, and confirm swap, blah blah blah. Okay, look at that, 0.4 seconds in order to complete one transaction. So that was step one. Then you get to this page here. I will leave also the link, ZkSync io.io. I am opening this. Click to MetaMask. Okay, switch networks. Okay, agree. And then you will see this. Here you have to deposit in L1. Here you will have some ETH, of course. You can load up your MetaMask here with some ETH, at least, I don't know, 20 to 50 ETH, dollars, excuse me. And then you click here, whatever is on ETH, something like that, and then deposit. Then you confirm and then put some money from layer 1 to layer 2. You will see something like this, for example here. Take in mind that the fees in order to bring some money here are somewhat, I don't know, $20, I don't know. And so you have to have some already to be there as a leftover. So just don't make it exactly too low like I did here. And then you have to do another step. Actually, I mint some NFTs, and in order to be eligible, and sure that I will be eligible actually for the airdrop. And I have a feeling that this airdrop actually will be big. So okay, in order to mint NFTs, you are going here. Then you have to go to put your code, CID code, etc., and mint your NFTs. You can, and then by minting NFTs, also you enable your account. So I want to be safe, and I am doing all of those steps, even the account activation. The account activation actually it worth something like $20 minimum. So $20 to transfer for the fees, 20 for the enabling the wallet, and some changes to left there. So do your own calculations when it comes to how much you can bring in there. Okay, actually the ZkSync is very low in liquidity in comparison with the other ones like Arbitrum and Optimism. So strategic thinking always. That means that they have to give incentivize to users in order to get ahead in the competition at least. And remember, I have to say this, if you will ever listen or hear anything like we are not going to do any airdrop, when they refuse the airdrop, then this is the sign that they will do an airdrop. I remember exactly when DaiDex, users sending people to DaiDex with direct emails, etc. DaiDex team, they were replying back to them with a message like, no, we are not going to have an airdrop. They were refusing, the airdrop. And when you see people refuse the airdrop, this is when it's almost certainly sure that they will do an airdrop. But even though ZkSync, I have not seen any denial from them, but instead I have seen something that also gives a hint here. So pay close attention to this. They said exciting news coming soon. So that was it for today. Share it with a friend, because I am preparing a lot of videos like this with airdrops, and trust me, there are a lot. I mean, if I can do all of my videos from now on with airdrops, I have videos to make for a month at least. Okay, that was it for today. See you next time and take care. Bye bye.